Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play the main chords of Lightning Crashes by the band Live. I was going to do a full guitar cover of this song, but I wasn't finding a good backing track to go along with it. So just going to show you the main part because it's pretty much the same chords throughout the whole song. This video idea was a request from my friend Ryan. Sunday at church he let me know that this song came out 29 years ago. The single for this song did. The album came out a little bit earlier, but the single came out on September 24th, 1994. This would be a good song for any beginner guitar player to learn because it's really 3 chords throughout the whole song and it's pretty simple. The bridge has a little bit of other chords, but I'm not going to cover that in today's video. But let's get right into it. The real song uses a guitar effect called a phaser, kind of to make it sound like it's going back and forth between the speakers. But I'm going to be playing it with just a chorus sound just because I think it sounds good for what I'm demonstrating today. The first chord is the barred version of F major. The second chord is C suspended, or you could play a power chord, whichever one you prefer. I like the suspended one just because I like the sound of it. It's really rich and full. And then the last chord is a G major chord. It's basically the F major chord, except you're bringing it down 2 frets. So let's play the whole progression. It goes something like this. And there you go, that's how you play the main part to Lightning Crashes. If you have any recommendations for something I should cover in a future video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!